Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo. The other day I was at Walmart and I saw a whole bunch of Jesse James bead kits or bead mixes, and I decided to buy a couple, and so today I'm unboxing one of them. This one is from the Window Box Mix and it's called Coral Queen. Now right now I am among all these beautiful trees on our property in Tennessee. And if you hear any racket in the background, I think somebody's chopping down a tree. I'm not really for sure, but hopefully you won't hear it that much. So this bead mix says it has about 100 pieces or more. It says 100 plus pieces, toggle clasp included. So let me open this up and get them all sorted out. And let's see what exactly is in here and how much. By the way, don't you love how it looks like a window? You see the window panes? Got a little bird. Packaging's really nice. Oh, and they have some examples of stuff you could make if you wanted to. Make bracelets, necklaces, earrings. And there's some tassels right there. And I poured them all into this bowl so you can kind of get a good look at the coloring and the shine on them. So here's everything that was in there, and I counted them, and there are 106. So there are a little over 100 pieces in here. And where to begin? Let's begin with the tassels. As you can see, we have two different kinds of tassels. We have these little floral tassels that Jesse James beads are known for. And we have two of those. And then we have two of these fun little tassels here. Great for earrings. In fact, when I look at this, I think we can make a lot of earrings out of this, especially since you see two. It's screaming earrings. Next, let's go over to these bead caps. There are two separate kinds of bead caps. Both of them are gold tone. And you get quite a few bead caps there. Here you notice two sets of toggles. This one's really petite and tiny. This one is normal size. And then these are kind of like a bead frame. You could put a bead in the middle there. Got two of those. And we have two of these pretty crystals. Some of these are glass, some are acrylic. Look at this. Where's the hole? There it is. Isn't that pretty? You have two of those. Sorry for all the racket. There's a shooting range not too far from here. Oh. Anyway, look at these hearts. Aren't they pretty? We have two of these crystals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So we have gold and we have rose gold. And then these rondelles. We have rose gold here. Ooh, I like those. I love the flowers. It's kind of a coral and rose gold. And then these are just, well, they kind of look rose gold to me too. Kind of gold and rose gold. And then we have these pretty little melon beads in gold tone. And these briolettes. And then we have these real pretty glass pearls. And look at these glass crystals. These look like they may be about a 4 millimeter. Look at the shine on those. And then we have these pretty glass crystals and these pretty glass crystals. So I got them all to fit in there. I don't know how sturdy it is. I kind of wish it was in a better container. I mean, the presentation looks nice, but to get them back into the package, I'm not sure that's going to work. I'll probably have to go in there and get a Ziploc to put them in. So anyway, that is what is in the Coral Queen bead mix, all from Jesse James Beads. They're pretty reasonably priced. I think they're like right around $5 and get all those beads. And stay tuned for another video on some earrings that I will be creating with those beads. And also I have a few more unboxings of some other bead mixes that I got from Walmart by Jesse James Beads. Thanks for joining me. And again, I apologize for any gunshot noises in the back. Hopefully you didn't hear them, but I have a feeling you did. Anyway, y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, signing out for now. Bye-bye.